My dear Dr. Sattler, welcome to Jurassic Park.
And I like that move.
Great Scott! 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 Oh, Great Scott! Great Scott! Great Scott! Great Scott! Great Scott!
Now this is a story all about how my life got flipped, turned upside down.
Shit just got real.
Put that cookie down! Now! Cookie! Nom, nom, nom. Oh, nom, 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 nom. Nom, nom.
I want to ask you a bunch of questions. And I want to have them answered immediately.
Ask me a question that I normally would lie to.
How many of you were born in Astoria?
Yep.
I'm very happy to be here. First, I would like to just get to know you.
17 years.
Quiet.
First, I'm going to use you as a human shield. Then I'm going to kill this guard over there with the Patterson trocar on the table.
Okay, Now, anyone that was not born in Astoria,
Yeah, but they were all bad.
come on, raise your hands.
I picked them.
Is where I live with my mommy, and this one is where I live with my daddy.
But Abby, why don't you all live in one house together?
Well, because my parents are divorced.
Divorced? What does divorce mean?
Hey, you shut your face! If we want to hear you talk, I will shove my arm up your ass and work your mouth like a puppet.
You're breaking ranks, Ranger. Buzz Lightyear to Star Command. I've got an AWOL Space Ranger. Tell me I wasn't this deluded. No back talk. I have a laser, and I will use it. You mean the laser that's a light bulb?
Yeah, I'm filled with lots of air.
Sorry.